Hello guys, Salman Naseem here. Today we'll see world most easiest 2D animation software which is best for making branded videos, animated infographics, promotional videos, demos, explainer videos, and with whiteboard animation we can use it for tutorials and for explaining complex ideas. So the name of this tool is Vyond. That is online tool. You don't have to download anything for that. Just click on a link below and sign up for free trial. The trial is free for everyone. Once we click on make a video, we have three options. First one is a contemporary, the second one is a business friendly, and the whiteboard animation. If we hover our mouse to the option, the playing of that video will explain almost everything that the power of that tool. Like if I bring that to the business friendly option, that will explain that which kind of animation we can create with the help of these options. In this video I'll just go with the business friendly, which is cool for making explainer videos. If you are a freelancer or a YouTuber, that options work really best for you. So we'll click on select style. So the first screen is there. If we click on a preview, you can see the animation which comes by default. So what we'll do, I will exit the preview and we will bring a new scene by clicking here. We'll click on a plus button to bring more option. We have continue with the blank scene, or continue with the last scene, or choose a template. We'll select this choose a template. There are a number of templates for each and every field. Like we'll go for a marketing currently, and we'll select this one. You can see that there are some animation which appears like that. If we want to edit on that scene, we can easily edit by clicking over here, and I'll say here learn animation, so that text will automatically appear on that banner, and I'll click on that text also, and I'll put the link of my YouTube channel, youtube.com/beinganimator. So we can resize it according to our requirement. If I click on that, and there are a number of scenes which allow us to give the animation to the same character. I'll select this one, the emotional one, and you can see we can even see before placing that animation to that character. Once we click on apply button, you can see that the animation will automatically apply to that character. That specific animation will apply to our character, which whatever we have added there. I click on a preview button, you can see the animation. To learn more about Vyond, we'll click on a plus button and go with the blank scene over here. On the left side we have option to upload any image or music we want to add in this specific section of Vyond. Likewise, we have few recent image over here. If I bring that image to here, and it will automatically add it to our canvas. The second option is for the characters. There are a number of characters in our business friendly videos. Even these characters are categorized, like the government one. We'll go for a government one, and we'll select this one, and just click on it, and the character will automatically appear to our screen. That way we can bring the expression or the action to our character. For example, if I want to create the action of walking, like walking to our character, and I'll just I'll check this one. That looks okay to me. And you can see if we click on a preview button, our character will have this walk cycle. But currently our character is staying on a same location all the time. So what we'll do, we'll just select the character, and we'll go for a motion path. and we'll go straight line and over there. So you can see it is going to backward. We need it to the forward position. We'll click on a motion path and we'll click on lines and select this one, horizontal. So that way our character will walk to the direction we want. Just click on a preview to check it. So super cool, right? And super easy. So to learn more, we'll add another character from there, from there, and that will be this one, judge, and we'll bring it over here, and we'll put some expression to our character, like expression. For that, we'll click on expression button. So there are two options in the expression dashboard. Like we can make our character angry while doing other animations, and we'll test this one also. We'll put the expression of crying. So that way, once we'll load the animation, you can see that the character is already crying and still walking. The judge is also like angry on something, like whatever we want. We'll select the judge again and click on expression button and select the direction. Select the direction from here. We'll go for a right side. So that make a little sense that the FBI guy is coming from there. So the judge is actually angry on that guy. You can see that we can make any story on it. The another thing is props. We'll select this one, and there are a number of props, like I'll go for money and finance, which everyone wants. So we'll place the bank over here. That picture actually doesn't fit to our scene. I'll delete it. I'll delete that one, and that is the bank over here. And we'll add little more props with by searching root. So we'll select this one and bring it over here. Bring it here like that, and increase the size like that, and right click, click on the order, click on the order and send to back. So that way our character start working on that specific path. The another option is chart, which is best for explainer videos. Like we can add any chart, we can explain with the help of these charts. There is option for adding a text and the music. The best option is of course lip sync, which is like we can add it. I add the dialogue from here. Just go to there and add the dialogue. Vyond give us option to record it with the mic, text to speech, upload the audio, use the existing audio, or the find a talent. So we'll use text to speech. So I'll write this: hey, where are you? We'll have to click on generate. Once it's generated, and that will add to the sound section of Vyond. That way, once we click on a preview button, we can see that it's automatically lip synced and work perfectly. Lastly, once everything is ready, we'll click on a download button. There are a few options to download it as a 720p video, and there is option for animated GIFs. That way, you can say that we'll use these kind of GIFs for our presentations and websites. And if you want to download the video, like you can click on 720 or 1080. There are two options right now. So we'll just click on a 720, and once it's ready to download, we'll just click on a download, and the video will look something related like that. So the Vyond is best for creating animated presentations or explainer videos for YouTube or a freelance purpose. So that is all for another video in an easy animation series. See you in the next video.